Today we're diving into the fiery depths of Blox Fruits to teach you how to awaken the flame fruit. If you're ready to unleash the true power of the flame fruit, stick around because we've got you covered, step by step. Before you begin your journey to awaken the flame fruit, make sure you've got the flame fruit either eaten or equipped. Without it, you won't be able to participate in the awakening process, so this is a crucial first step. Next, you'll need to head over to the raid area. Here you'll find the Mad Scientist NPC. This NPC is essential for your quest, as they provide the microchip, specifically needed for the flame raid. Make sure to buy the microchip. With your microchip in hand, it's time to enter the raid. The flame raid can be challenging, so it's important to team up with friends or other players. By working together, you can increase your chances of success and can progress faster. After completing the raid, you'll encounter the mysterious entity NPC. When you interact with him, they will offer you to awaken one of your abilities in exchange for fragments. Each successful raid allows you to awaken one ability, so you'll need to repeat this process until all your abilities are fully awakened. Keep in mind that the total cost for fully awakening all abilities is 14,500 fragments. This means you'll need to engage in multiple raids and gather plenty of fragments to completely awaken your flame fruit. But once you do, you'll have unlocked the full power of the flame fruit, making you a formidable force in Blox Fruits. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.